Hey, hi, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a liquid filling effect in Figma. It's quite easy. Let's get started. So first step is create a simple small frame and make it a circle. Okay. And now this is one thing is done. Now we have to create some waves. So I'm making this rectangle shape. Make sure this rectangle shape is bigger than this circle height, and width wise it has to be bigger one. Okay, now using a pen tool I'll be creating some points here so I can create waves. Now alternatively I will select these points and below like this. And now I'll select whole component and I'll okay, I have to select each point. Now I have to give some radius like this, so I can get some waves. Now this is the wave is done. I will make it blue like this. I will duplicate it and I will make second wave a darker. Now this is how it will look. Okay, so we have two layers like this. Now I can group them, or you can put them individually. There's no issue in that. In my case I'll keep them separately. Now drag this inside this box which we have created, keep it below like this and hide this. Okay, and now make it a component. After making component we have to create a variant. Now I will click on this clip content, so I can basically for the second circle I'm doing this clip content, so I can basically see all these things. Now you just need to fill this like this. Do it on top and make it most right corner like this, and select the second layer, keep this in the top, and I'll move this to the right side, this one, so it can give me that good wavy effect. And make sure you fill the box, and I'll select the circle once again, clip content again, and here you can see we have two circles. Now select the first circle and attach this prototype link. Now select after delay and first select 1 millisecond, so it can start instantly. And here I will just select 2000 2 second and second animation, and smart animate, pick the smart animate, that's it. And now in assets I'll have this frame. I'll drag it on the top like this, and now you can play it. Let's see how it looks. And here we go, it's working really nicely. I wasn't able to see that effect. The reason for that was color were really like common colors we have used. That was the reason. But we can basically improve it, there's no doubt. So what I can do, I'll basically select this layer. Instead of I'll make it like this, and second layer I'll make it transparent, and again I'll keep this on the top like this. And now let's play once again, and here we go, got it. So play with these things, and that's how you get smooth liquid effect, wavy effect. Okay.